Tip number 1. Clean your desktop. Put your files in the My Documents folder. If you have a lot of files, you can put them in separate folders and create shortcuts on your desktop for the folders or files you frequently use. In doing this, you will free up operating memory, reduce the time and frequency the hard drive is used, and improve the response of your computer to programs you open and things you do. This simple action of cleaning the desktop will make your computer run faster. Tip number 2. Clean up disk errors. In your Start menu, click on My Computer. In the My Computer dialog box, do a right-click on the drive you wish to check for errors, and click on Properties. In the Properties dialog box, click the Tools tab. In the Error Checking section, press the Check Now button. A Check Disk dialog box displays as shown on the computer. In the Check Disk dialog box, check all the unchecked boxes and click on Start. You will see a message box that says you can schedule the disk check to start the next time you restart your computer. Click on Yes. The next time you restart your computer, it will automatically run through a disk check before displaying your login screen. After the disk check finishes, Windows will automatically bring you to your login screen. Tip number 3. Remove temporary files. Same as step 1, we go to My Computer and do a right-click on the drive you wish to check and click on Properties. In the General tab, you will see the word Disk Cleanup. Click on that and it will show you how much space you can remove. After the scan is complete, click on View Files. In View Files, you will see the files to be thrown once you give the go signal. You can check and uncheck the boxes to define which ones to keep and which ones to release. Now click on OK. Tip number 4. Defragmentation. Same as before, go to My Computer and do a right-click on the drive you want to defragment and click on Properties. Go to the Tools tab and then go to the Defragment section and click on Defragment Now. In the Disk Defragmenter dialog box, select the volume and then click Analyze. After analyzing your computer, the disk's defragmenter displays a message stating whether you should defragment your computer. Press Defragment to clean up your computer if necessary. The disk defragmenter will recognize files by placing together and organizing them by program and size. Tip number 5. Install antiviruses and anti-spyware programs. Computer viruses and spyware both reduces system performance. Computer viruses can not only reduce performance, but they can also destroy data. Any computer that accesses the internet should have antivirus and anti-spyware programs installed. Two of the most reliable computer virus programs around are Norton Internet Security and McAfee Internet Security Suite. Tip number 6. Advanced settings or performance options. Go to My Computer and do a right-click. Click on Properties, then click on Advanced System Settings. Another window will open with a few tabs at the top. Click the Advanced tab and then click Performance. Then you'll see a bunch of checkboxes with the things you can change or turn on and off. You can also just tick the Adjust for Best Performance box, but that essentially turns off all the eye candy of the system. The best thing to do is turn off the more intensive options and things you don't care for or need. Tip number 7. Uninstall all applications that are no longer needed. When applications and games are installed to a Windows PC, some files are written in the Windows directory structure, and changes are made to the Windows registry files. Most of these changes are not readily apparent to the user, so proper removal requires uninstalling the application through the control panel's Add or Remove Program or Program and Features icon. Tip number 8. Empty the recycle bin. Simply deleting files from the disk doesn't really delete them at all. Rather, they are moved to a temporary holding area on the hard drive for easy restoration. This area is called the recycle bin and is usually displayed on the desktop. Review the contents before emptying. Once emptied, the space on the hard drive that the data occupied is made available for reuse, and the restoration of files emptied from the recycle bin becomes extremely difficult. Note that this will only speed up your computer if the hard drive is nearly full.